In this video, you will learn how to copy and share the Instagram profile link. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into the correct profile for which you want to share your link. Click on the profile icon that is on the bottom right hand side. In the next page, you will see your profile, and down below that you will see there are two options: edit profile and share profile. So you need to click the share profile, and the next page you will see that you can share your profile either with the help of a QR code, or you can straight away click on this share profile and it is going to open up the different apps, and as in a normal routine you can share that. Otherwise, there is an option of copy link towards the right hand side. You can just click the copy link. The message will pop up that the link has been copied. Now what you can do is that then open any of the browser and click and paste your link just to check that whether it is a correct link or not. And as you would see that this link is going to take me back to my Instagram profile. That's how you can copy and share your Instagram profile link.